In this video, we will show the best frying pan to buy online in India 2020. At number 1, Amazon Basics Pre-Seasoned Skillet Pan. Features. Our review. At number 2, Prestige Omega Deluxe Aluminium Granite Fry Pan. Features. Our review. At number 3, Cello Non-Stick Induction Base Frying Pan. Features. Our review. At number 4, Trillion Takas Prestige Platina Stainless Steel Fry Pan. Features. Our review. At number 5, Hawkins Futura Non-Stick Frying Pan. Features. Our review. At number 6, Amazon brand Solimo Hard Anodized Fry Pan. Features. Our review. At number 7, Vinod Platinum Triply Stainless Steel Fry Pan. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.